Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook messages not delivering. When Facebook messages are not delivering, it can be caused by internet issues, app glitches, or account restrictions. This problem may prevent your messages from reaching the recipient or showing as sent. This guide will walk you through practical steps to fix messages delivery issues on your mobile device. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and check your internet connection, Wi Fi, or mobile data. Turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then tap again to turn it off. Then open the Messenger app and try sending the message again. Also, restart your mobile device to refresh system processes. Now, go to your phone's Settings app, tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Then tap All Apps. Find and select Messenger. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Avoid clearing data unless necessary. Go back and tap Force Stop. Confirm, then reopen the app. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture icon. Tap Manage Apps and Devices. Tap Updates Available and update Messenger if an update is available. Check if the recipient is online or has blocked or restricted you. Try sending a message to another contact to test if the issue is specific. If the issue continues, log out and log back into your Messenger account. Tip: messages may not deliver if the recipient has deactivated their account or has limited who can receive messages. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.